Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the story carrying CapCut edit. Now this is a very simple and easy edit tutorial, so let's get started. So first things first, you want to ensure that you have the latest version of CapCut installed on your device, after which you need to go ahead and launch your web browser and search for story carrying template. Now, if you're having difficulty finding this online, you could go ahead and tap the link that I'll be posting in the description. And once you click on the link, you'd simply need to click on Use Template in CapCut, after which you'd be redirected to CapCut. Now, once you're redirected to CapCut, you need to go ahead and select the video or the image that you want to use for this trend. And once you've selected that image or video, the template will automatically generate the trend for you without any editing required. And that's simply how you'd go about doing the story carrying CapCut edit. Now you have the option to save this video to your device with the CapCut watermark, or you could save and share it to TikTok without the CapCut watermark. But that's pretty much the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.